In today's increasingly cashless society, credit cards have become a staple in our wallets. But did you know that these little pieces of plastic hold a trove of benefits beyond just convenient payment options? In this video, we will delve into the world of credit card benefits and uncover how you can maximize the advantages they offer. Types of credit card benefits. Credit card benefits come in various forms, offering something for everyone. Let's take a closer look at the most common types of credit card benefits available. Cashback rewards. One of the most popular credit card benefits is the opportunity to earn cashback on your purchases. Cashback rewards typically offer a percentage of your spending back to you as a rebate. For example, a credit card may offer 1% cashback on all purchases, meaning that for every $100 you spend, you will receive $1 back. Some credit cards may even offer higher cashback rates for specific spending categories, such as groceries or gas. Cashback rewards can be a great way to earn money while you shop. By choosing a credit card that aligns with your spending habits, you can maximize the amount of cashback you earn. It's important to note that cashback rewards often come with certain limitations, such as a cap on the total amount of cashback you can earn or rotating categories for higher cashback rates. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your credit card to fully understand the cashback rewards program. Travel rewards. If you're a frequent traveler, credit cards with travel rewards can be a game changer. These credit cards offer various perks and benefits to enhance your travel experience. Some common travel rewards include airline miles, hotel points, and access to airport lounges. Airline miles can be redeemed for free flights or upgrades, allowing you to save money on your travel expenses. Hotel points, on the other hand, can be used to book free hotel stays or receive room upgrades. Additionally, credit cards with travel rewards often offer complimentary travel insurance, priority boarding, and concierge services to make your travel experience even more enjoyable. When choosing a credit card with travel rewards, consider the airline or hotel chain partnerships. If you frequently fly with a specific airline or stay at a particular hotel chain, it may be beneficial to choose a credit card that aligns with those brands to maximize your rewards. Remember to also consider any annual fees associated with travel rewards credit cards and compare them against the potential benefits you will receive. Points-based rewards. Points-based rewards credit cards offer a flexible way to earn rewards on your spending. With these credit cards, you earn points for every dollar you spend, which can then be redeemed for a variety of rewards, such as gift cards, merchandise, or even cashback. Points-based rewards credit cards often have a wide range of redemption options, allowing you to choose rewards that best suit your preferences. Some credit cards even offer exclusive access to events or experiences that can't be purchased with cash. To maximize your points-based rewards, it's important to understand the value of each point and compare it to the cost of the rewards you wish to redeem. Some credit cards may offer better redemption rates for certain rewards, so it's worth doing your research before making a decision. Introductory APR offers. Introductory APR, annual percentage rate, offers can be another valuable credit card benefit. These offers provide a low or 0% interest rate for an introductory period, typically ranging from 6 to 18 months. This can be particularly beneficial if you have a large purchase planned or if you want to transfer existing credit card balances to a card with a lower interest rate. During the introductory period, you can save money on interest charges, allowing you to pay off your balance faster. However, it's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of the offer, as the interest rate may increase significantly once the introductory period ends. If you plan to take advantage of an introductory APR offer, make sure you have a solid repayment plan in place to avoid accumulating debt once the higher interest rate kicks in. Purchase protection and extended warranties. Credit cards often come with purchase protection and extended warranties, providing you with added peace of mind when making purchases. Purchase protection can reimburse you for damaged or stolen items within a certain time frame after purchase, while extended warranties can extend the manufacturer's warranty on eligible items. These benefits can be particularly useful for expensive purchases, such as electronics or appliances. By using a credit card with purchase protection and extended warranties, you can protect your investment and potentially save money on repair or replacement costs. It's important to review the specific terms and conditions of these benefits to understand any limitations or exclusions that may apply. Credit card benefits for frequent travelers. For frequent travelers, credit cards with travel benefits can make all the difference in enhancing your travel experience. Let's explore some of the credit card benefits that are particularly valuable for those who travel often. Airline lounge access. One of the most sought-after perks for frequent travelers is access to airline lounges. These exclusive spaces provide a comfortable and relaxing environment to unwind before or between flights. With amenities such as complimentary food and beverages, Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating, airline lounges can turn a long layover into a pleasant experience. Many credit cards offer complimentary access to airline lounges as part of their travel benefits. Some credit cards provide unlimited lounge access, while others may have a limited number of complimentary visits per year. If you frequently travel through airports with lounges, choosing a credit card that offers this benefit can greatly enhance your travel experience. Global entry or TSA pre-check. Long security lines at the airport can be a major hassle, especially for frequent travelers. Global entry and TSA pre-check are trusted traveler programs that provide expedited screening and customs clearance, allowing you to breeze through airport security checkpoints. Some credit cards offer reimbursement for the application fee of either global entry or TSA pre-check. By taking advantage of this benefit, you can save time and avoid the stress of long lines at the airport. Before applying for global entry or TSA pre-check, check if your credit card offers this reimbursement to maximize your travel benefits. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is an essential consideration for any trip, as it provides coverage for unexpected events such as trip cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergencies. Many credit cards offer complimentary travel insurance when you use the card to book your travel expenses, providing you with peace of mind during your journeys. When comparing credit cards for their travel insurance benefits, pay attention to the coverage limits, exclusions, and any additional requirements, such as paying for the entire trip with the credit card. It's important to choose a credit card that offers comprehensive travel insurance coverage that aligns with your travel needs. No foreign transaction fees. When traveling internationally, using a credit card that does not charge foreign transaction fees can save you a significant amount of money. Foreign transaction fees are typically charged as a percentage of each transaction made in a foreign currency, and they can quickly add up, especially if you frequently use your credit card overseas. Many credit cards now offer the benefit of no foreign transaction fees, allowing you to make purchases abroad without incurring any additional charges. This can result in substantial savings, especially for frequent international travelers. When choosing a credit card for its no foreign transaction fee benefit, also consider other factors such as rewards, annual fees, and customer service. How to maximize credit card benefits. Now that you're familiar with the various types of credit card benefits and the specific benefits for frequent travelers, let's explore some strategies to maximize these benefits. Understand your spending habits. To choose the right credit card and maximize its benefits, it's important to understand your spending habits. Take a close look at your monthly expenses and identify the categories where you spend the most. For example, if you spend a significant amount on groceries, a credit card with high cashback rewards for grocery purchases would be a good fit for you. By aligning your credit card with your spending habits, you can earn more rewards and take full advantage of the benefits offered. Keep track of your spending and review your credit card statements regularly to ensure you're earning the maximum rewards possible. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses as an incentive to attract new cardholders. These bonuses often come in the form of cashback rewards, travel points, or statement credits. By taking advantage of sign-up bonuses, you can quickly accumulate a substantial amount of rewards. When considering a credit card with a sign-up bonus, make sure you understand the requirements to earn the bonus. Some credit cards may require you to spend a certain amount within a specified time frame to qualify for the bonus. If the spending requirement aligns with your normal expenses, applying for a credit card with a sign-up bonus can be a great way to kickstart your rewards earnings. Combine credit cards for maximum benefits. If you're looking to maximize your credit card benefits, consider using multiple cards strategically. By combining credit cards with different reward structures, you can earn rewards in various categories and take advantage of multiple benefits. For example, you could use one credit card that offers high cashback rewards on groceries, another for dining out, and a third for travel-related expenses. By using the right credit card for each spending category, you can earn the maximum rewards possible. However, it's important to keep track of your credit card balances and payment due dates to avoid carrying a high balance or incurring interest charges. Stay informed about offers and promotions. Credit card issuers often run special offers and promotions that can provide additional benefits or rewards. These offers may include limited-time cashback bonuses, increased rewards rates for specific spending categories, or exclusive discounts with partner merchants. To stay informed about these offers, Make sure you're subscribed to email updates from your credit card issuers and check their websites regularly. Taking advantage of these promotions can help you earn extra rewards and save money on your purchases. Review and adjust your credit cards regularly. As your spending habits and lifestyle change, it's important to regularly review your credit cards and make adjustments as needed. What may have been the perfect credit card for you a year ago may no longer align with your current needs and preferences. Review your credit cards at least once a year and consider whether they still provide the best benefits for your spending habits. If not, it may be time to apply for a new credit card or make changes to your existing cards. By staying proactive and making adjustments when necessary, you can ensure you're maximizing your credit card benefits. Conclusion: choosing the right credit card for your needs. Credit card benefits go beyond just convenient payment options. From cashback rewards to travel perks, credit cards offer a world of advantages that can save you money and enhance your lifestyle. By understanding the different types of credit card benefits and how to maximize them, you can choose the right credit card for your needs and unlock its full potential. When selecting a credit card, consider your spending habits, travel preferences, and desired benefits. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a shopaholic, or someone who loves dining out, there's a credit card out there that offers rewards tailored to your lifestyle. Remember to read the terms and conditions of each credit card carefully to fully understand the benefits and any associated fees or limitations. So, get ready to maximize your swipes and explore the world of credit card benefits. With the right credit card in your wallet, you can swipe your way into a world of perks and rewards. Happy swiping!